motor vehicle accident with head and facial injuries in Massachusetts. Good afternoon, I'm attorney Neil Burns, and I want to talk this afternoon about victims of car accidents, motor vehicle accidents in Massachusetts where there's head and facial injuries. One example of this is where we represented a young woman who was from another country. She was living here with her husband, and she was driving on Route 2A in Acton, Massachusetts, and she was rear-ended by a pickup truck driven by a young woman, a teenager, who was in the pickup truck with her boyfriend, and the collision pushed her pickup truck into the opposing lane where she was also bashed on by somebody coming from the opposite direction. Horrible accident, terrible injuries, clear liability. The insurance company just would not pay a fair price. Our client had to have nose surgery for repair because her nose, she wasn't breathing properly out of one side of her nose, and she had to go for a second surgery, one at the Brigham, one at Concord Hospital, Emerson Hospital in Concord, and really horrible injuries. Her doctor wrote a great report explaining why she was never going to be back to normal and there was nothing else he could do. He was a plastic surgeon that said there's nothing else he could do. Please don't do any more surgery. Just live with this slight breathing condition. And she was a lovely young woman, and the insurance company just wouldn't pay. We finally went to mediation with a retired judge, and we got a fair amount of money for our client at the mediation after many years of fighting for her on her behalf. If you've been injured in a car accident, motor vehicle accident, any type of accident where it's the fault of someone else or someone you know has been injured, and there's facial injuries, head injuries, we get a lot of cases. Some of them have actual scarring, and this one was internal. And sometimes, of course, there's concussions and traumatic brain injuries. If you're a victim, give us a call. It's a free initial consultation. We've been representing victims in motor vehicle accidents since 1985. Call Burns and Jan. It's a free consultation. There's no risk, and we are tenacious, we are aggressive, we will get you results. Thank you.